Okay.
You can bring over here for a second while I unwrap this.
I'm gonna go over there.
What we're gonna do, we're gonna take off the wrap on this, and then we're gonna get the cover off and get all those leaves out there, and then we're gonna start putting the chemicals in, and then hooking everything up here, getting the pump on, lines on, and then just start filling with water, and we should be set. Okay, what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and add 2 shocks and 1 algicide to the pool, and that should start to clear up all that green. We're gonna get the hose running, start filling it back up, and we're gonna go from there. Flip my whole thumb right open. Ah! Put it at me for a second. And what we're doing now, we're just gonna top the pool off, start getting it filling up, and then we're gonna get the motor and everything hooked up, get it running, and start clearing this stuff up, and we should be good to go. So the boys were supposed to bring the camera back down so they could film us putting together the pump and filter and lines, but instead they decided to have a little water balloon fight up there on the pool cover, and that's how it went. Okay, so what we did, got the chemicals in, we're just waiting for the pool to fill up now. While we did that, we had hooked up the skimmer line, which goes into the skimmer filter, through the pump, into the sand filter, through the chlorinator, and then back into the pool. And we went ahead and put back in all the plugs and everything, so that way everything's all sealed. And once the water gets up to level, starts coming in, we'll be able to get it going and start cleaning the sucker out. But other than that, that's a simple cleaning and should be good to go. All right, bye.
Okay, opening pool number 2.
Sprinklers, what the sprinklers attached to your... Yep. Is that something I should do, or is that too much weight in the pool or anything like that?
No.
Okay.
The inside actually unscrews.
Unscrews, it goes out of the controller, right?
Screw right over that.
Okay.
And then there's a little, like a valve that has an opening and then a closing. So depending on how much you turn it, it will push.
Okay.
That'll determine how much power it shoots out.
All right, yeah.
If you close it all the way, it'll shoot across the whole pool. Leave it halfway open, it'll do like that.
All right. Yeah, I saw one. I was like, I want to check with Danny before I spend the money on one.
You know what I
mean,
did?
they're PVC, so I didn't think they cost much, but...
I made, Danny, tell them about the one I made, our sprinkler.
Oh yeah, the sprinkler. Yeah.
Add a PVC piping in the flex hose.
Oh, yeah?
And I drilled holes. I made it a foot, no, it's 2 feet long, and it sits right up on top, sprays across the whole thing.
Oh, crap.
Yeah. Little did Danny know at this point he was gonna get a back massage and hug from a furry friend. What I'm doing here, I'm adding a gallon of algicide, and I'm going to add 2 gallons of shock to make sure that the pool gets a really good dose for its opening. So we noticed this little guy, little tree frog that must have been under the cover hiding out when we were going around putting the chemicals in. And he was just hanging out there having a good time. Time for some shock. Yeah. You want to go from winter to filter once you're opening it.